everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a BoxyCharm and Summer's Eve free box to open. This is my very first BoxyCharm box. I see it all over Instagram all the time. Honestly, I didn't know if it was worth $21, but the free promotion from Summer's Eve, I had to try it. It was just like buy two Summer's Eve products and you got a free BoxyCharm box. So I was like, I gotta try that. So the first thing I got is this Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream, and I've actually tried this before and it smells really good and it makes your hands feel so soft and silky. So next I got this Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick, and at first I wasn't sure about the color. It's called Bow and Arrow, but I wasn't sure about the color on me just because of the tube. Like, it looked a lot lighter, but then when I actually swatched it on my hand, it definitely is a really nice nude lip color, and hopefully I'll get to wear it here soon. Next, I got the It Cosmetics, another brand I've been seeing all over Instagram, the Superhero Mascara. It's supposed to make your lashes really voluminous and super long, and like, it's a super elastic stretch. So I'm excited to try that. The results look really good, and I just took it out to show you guys what it actually looks like. And it's just like a standard mascara wand, so I'm excited to use that. So next I have this, I don't know how to say that, Briogeo, I don't know, Don't Despair hair repair, and I will do a review on that for you guys. So next I have this makeup palette, eyeshadow palette, Midnight Masquerade. Just look at it. Like, it's so pretty just to even look at the palette, and then you open it up and it is gorgeous. Okay, so they say that is like 4 blushes, but to me it looks like 2 highlighters and 2 blushes, but I don't know, I'm not a makeup expert. And then you've got 6 shades of eyeshadow, and here's the swatches for you guys. And so that was all. $21 a month. I mean, I would pay $21 a month. You know, it's like, if every box is like this box, it's totally worth it. And on the little pamphlet in the beginning, it said that you get $100 worth or over $100 worth in every box. So $100 worth versus $21 a month, I think it's totally worth it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!